So let's proceed studying the constant multiple rule of differentiation. So it is in the form of the derivative of a constant times a function of x with respect to x is equal to a constant times the derivative of a function of x with respect to x. So sinasabi lang naman sa the constant multiple rule of differentiation na kapag kukuha tayo ng derivative ng isang function kung saan meron siyang kasama na constant sa loob, ilalabas natin yung constant. We are going to take the constant c and put that out front of that over dx symbol. So yung constant ay magiging factor lamang ng the derivative of function of x with respect to x. Magiging factor lamang. So I'm giving you an example. Let's try to take the derivative of 4x squared. So kung napapansin mo, yung function natin dito ay isang quadratic function, x squared, and yung constant function natin ay 4. So upon applying the constant multiple rule of differentiation, yung 4 ilalabas natin, magiging factor yung 4 kaya ang matitira sa loob ay x squared. So dito, familiar sa atin yung form na ito kaya pwede natin gamitin ng the power rule of differentiation. And upon applying this, yung 2 ay ibababa natin, magiging factor niya, at yung 2 ay babawasan natin ng isa. 2 negative 1 is equal to 1, which is the exponent of x. 4 times 2 is equal to 8. So the derivative of 4x squared with respect to x is equal to 8x. Next, I'm giving you another example. Let's take the derivative of 7x cubed. So firstly, x cubed is a cubic function and 7 is a constant function. But since we have a constant in the inside, the 7 in the inside will become the factor. So let's try to apply the power rule of differentiation, this part. So the derivative of x cubed with respect to x is equal to x squared. So 7 times 3 is equal to 21. So the derivative of 7x cubed with respect to x is basically equal to 21x squared.
One ten hundred thousand million billion trillion quadrillion